Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, in the additional of today's newspaper, the daily newspaper on Thursday, July the 16th, 2020. We have here 5 extra Sudokus. A Sudoku with a 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. We will first start with the Sudoku with 1 star, and I have uploaded a lot of Sudokus, and this one will be 1166. Yes. And before I start, I always count how many numbers, printed numbers, are in this Sudoku. So let me count. We have 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 5 is 22, plus 2 wait 20. I lost the count. Apologies. 4, 6, 8, 11, 15, 17, 22. Plus 2 is 24. Plus 3 is 27. Yes, correct. Because I have noticed that all the Sudokus with a 1 star have 27 printed numbers. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me see which number I can use. How about the number? We see here a 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here a 5, so no 5 in this box. There are 5, so no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5. Should be here. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. The 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. We see here a 3 in this row, the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And then yeah, and then a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 8 is missing. I see here an 8 and a 3 in this big square, so no 3 and an 8 in that box. That means 1 digit left should be the 1. The other 2 boxes are left for the numbers 3 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 3 and 9. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there, and the 9 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 8, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 4. 4 or 5, we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. Then let me see. How about the number 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then then yeah 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, all right. Then. One in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Let me see, 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 4 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then well. Let me think. All right. Yeah. We see here. No. I cannot see. Yes, the first row we have 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 2, the 6, and the 8. And look, we have a 2 and an 8 here. So no 2 and an 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the 6. 2 and an 8 goes there. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 3 places for a 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here also a 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Yes, all right. All right. 2 numbers left in this column. The 2 numbers are the 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then Let me see. All right. Wow, I'm thinking too long. 2 numbers left in this row. These 2 numbers are the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 1 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4's are used. I can see. Yes. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 9, 3 and 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. 3 and 6, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 6 and 7, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. Then one number left in this row for the number 9. Then two numbers left in the last row for the number 6 and 9. We have a 9 now, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. One number left in this row for the third row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. One number left in the last column for the number 3. One number left in this big square for the number 8. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 7 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. And if you like this Sudoku, you can give it a thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. That will be a Sudoku with 2 stars. So see you later, and bye bye for now.